When do we celebrate World Nature Conservation Day every year? The answer is option B, 28 July. Why is World Nature Conservation Day celebrated? Option A, to increase awareness about protecting the natural resources. Which of the following is an example of reuse? Answer is option C, donate items you don't need anymore. Which of the following measures is for environmental protection? The answer is option C, recycling. What does IUCN stand for? It's option B, International Union for Conservation of Nature. What produces almost all of the oxygen in our atmosphere? The correct answer is option A, ocean. How much percentage of oxygen is produced by the oceans? It's at least 50%, option C. What produces the second most oxygen on Earth? Option D, trees and rainforests. Plants take in blank and give out blank during respiration all the time. It's option A, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Plant management of natural resources is called. The correct answer is option B, conservation. Which of the following gases destroy the chlorophyll present in the plant leaves? Option C, sulfur dioxide. What is the environment made up of? It's option C, which includes both A and B. Which of the following is helpful in recharging groundwater level? It's option D, rainwater harvesting. The life supporting gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are primarily available in troposphere option A. More than 70% of world's fresh water is found in blank. In glaciers and polar ice caps option B. Maximum use of fresh water is in blank. It's in agriculture option C. Which of the following is a major threat to wildlife conservation? The correct answer is option D, deforestation. Which of the following is caused by deforestation? It's option A, soil erosion. Large scale plantation of trees to increase forest cover is called blank. Option B, afforestation. Which country is the world leader in generating plastic waste? It's the United States of America. Option C. Energy that uses heat that comes from within the earth is called blank. It's geothermal energy. Option A. Which of the following are formed from the remains of organisms? The correct answer is option B, fossil fuels. What do we call to the trapping of heat by atmospheric gases? The answer is option D, greenhouse effect. What do we call to a substance that is used up more quickly than it can replace itself? It's option C, non-renewable resource. Which of the following is a group of non-renewable organic resources? It's option A, natural gas, oil and coal. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? It's fossil fuels, option B. Agroforestry is the raising of blank and blank on the same land. It's agriculture crops and tree crop. Option A. Soil conservation is the process where blank. The answer is option C. Soil is protected against loss. What information does Red Data Book contain? It's about endangered plants and animals. Option D. What do we call two resources which are available in unlimited quantity? Option B. Inexhaustible resources. What do we call to a species restricted to a given area? The answer is option A. Endemic species. Which of the following is a renewable, exhaustible natural resource? The correct answer is option C. Forest. Which of the following is an example of ex situ conservation? The answer is option A. Seed bank. Which of the following is an example of in situ conservation? Option D. National parks. According to the IUCN Red List, the status of the red panda is blank. It's endangered. Option B. Which of the following is an exhaustible renewable resource? The correct answer is option C. Fresh water. Which type of natural resource is solar energy? It's inexhaustible. Option A. What are the small particles of plastic added to cosmetic products and toothpaste called? It's called microbeads. Option D. Experts have predicted that in year blank 90% of coral reefs will be dead. In year 2050. Option B. Which of the following is non-polluting renewable type of energy? All are correct, so option D, all of the above. Blank extinction means the extinction of a species from the surface of Earth due to human activities. It's anthropogenic extinction. Option A. Which of the following is an inexhaustible and renewable source of energy? It's hydropower. Option A. Chipko movement is related to blank. It's related to forest conservation. Option B. Blank is the first and the only state in India which has made rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses across the state. The correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. What do we call to the conservation of a species in its natural habitat? It's in situ conservation. Option D. Most of the endangered species are victims of blank. It's habitat destruction. Option A. Out of total amount of water, the water found in seas and oceans is about blank. It's about 97%. Option B. What do we call to the population of a species decreasing over a period? It's called endangered. Option C. What do we call to natural resources which have definite cycle? The answer is option D, exhaustible renewable. Plants of endangered species are conserved through blank. The correct answer is option A, gene bank. Shifting cultivation is also known as blank. It's known as June cultivation. Option B. Planting of trees, shrubs, and others in between crop plants for commercial exploitation and stabilization of soil is called blank. It's called agroforestry. Option C. The recent technique used for study of vegetation is blank. The correct answer is option D, remote sensing. There is decrease in blank because of deforestation. The correct answer is option A, rainfall. The human activities resulting in endangered species are blank. It's option D, all of the above. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.